how to find top artists on Spotify. So you can head over it here to your homepage, and then from there onto your wrap, you should be able to see in here the top artists of 2024 USA, as well as top tracks for the global, as well as top artists for the global as well. So this right here are only for the year of 2024. And if you want to find the Spotify's top artists, you can head over right here to your old page, and you can head over right here to your search bar. And then from there, just click onto this search and search in here for top artists. Now, once you have searched for that, you can see in here this top artist 2024, the global Spotify rap, and in here you can see the top 100 most streamed songs on Spotify, and you can see in here those artists onto this ranking. So that's how you find top artists on Spotify. Hope we helped.